Hey guys, it's Tashay Leniece and I am back with another video. This video I will be trying out the one and only Argan Oil Moisture, is it moisture? Moisture Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. I did get this in a curl box sometime last year and I decided that it was time to try it out. It smells pretty good. The ingredients will be going across the screen right about now. It was pretty thick, but a little creamy. Actually, it had a good consistency. I wouldn't say it was thick, but I wouldn't say it was thin. So it was about medium. It did end up giving me a really good lather. Yeah. I did feel moisture. I don't believe that my hair felt stripped though, because it says repair, but I don't believe that my hair was stripped like a stripping feeling. But I love the lather. The smell was good. So I was pretty much enjoying it. I'll let you guys finish watching the little shampoo part and I'll be back when I show you the conditioner. Next, I'm going in with the Moisture Repair Conditioner. Again, the ingredients will be popping up right about now. This conditioner was much thicker than the shampoo. It was very thick. Because actually I did pre-poo, but I still wanted to, use a lot to see if it got moisturizing. And it wasn't bad at all. It was giving me some slip to it. My hair was feeling moisturized. It wasn't a bad product. My curls, as you can see, are flourishing. So I'll just let you guys continue to watch. These both were 12 fluid ounces. And yeah. This is my hair all rinsed out from the shampoo and the conditioner. My hair felt good. It felt cleansed. It did not feel stripped, even though it's repairing. It didn't feel stripped, which is not a bad thing at all. These are $21 at Sally's Beauty Supply. They're not bad. Will I repurchase them? I don't know. I got to keep using it again. I literally only used it once. So as of right now, probably not, because I have other things. But yeah, If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and please subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.